Here we have question 5. Given the transversal cutting through these parallel lines, find the value of x and y. It doesn't state the reason why, but make sure you know. Okay, so for 48 and angle y look like they are consecutive interior. That means 48 plus y has to be equal to 180. Okay, so you can actually solve for y here. Y is going to be 180 minus 48. That gets you y is 132. Notice that this 48 and this 5x minus 17, that is alternate interior angles. Those are congruent, so 48 is equal to 5x minus 17. Add 17 to both sides, that cancels, so 48 plus 17, that equals 65, is equal to x. Divide by 5 to both sides, x is equal to 13. Next, let's take a look. We notice this is on the top right, and this is also on the top right. So based on corresponding to y is equal to 58, divide this by 2 to both sides, we can say y is equal to 29. Next, notice that this does form a straight line, so that is by linear pair. We can say that 2x plus 58 is going to be equal to 180. If you minus 58 to both sides, this is canceled. 2x is equal to 180 minus 58. That gets you 122. Divide by 2 to both sides. This cancels. This is going to get you 61. X is equal to 61 degree. Okay. Now let's take a look at the last one. How are they related? Well, we know that this angle and this angle are alternate exterior, and we know alternate exterior angles are congruent. So 116 is equal to 6x plus 32 minus 32 to both sides. We have 116 minus 32. That gets you 84. Divide 6 to both sides. We get 14 is equal to x. Notice that this angle makes a linear pair, right? So you know what? I'm going to plug a 14 in here already. 6 times 14 plus 32. So 6 times 14 plus 30. 6 times 14 plus 32. This is 116. So we can say by linear pair, 5y minus 21 plus 116 is equal to 180. Combine some like terms. 116 and negative 21. That gets you a 95 equals to 180 minus 95 to both sides. You get 5y is equal to 85. Then if you divide 5 to both sides, you get y is equal to 17.